This is a quick reminder to go to the gym, to find the motivation to move your body and to do some sports. And also one of the tips of the video of the day. In today's video, we look at the causes of food cravings, and I will try to explain what simple step you can take to handle them. People might experience food cravings seemingly out of nowhere, or they may be related to seeing, smelling, or hearing about a specific food. That's why, first thing first, I highly recommend you to have breakfast before going to your job or before starting your day. I'm doing a really simple smoothie with frozen strawberries and acai powder with protein powder as well as Greek yogurt. For the topping, really simple, I add some coconut powder and some chia seed. And of course, a tablespoon of peanut butter. About the causes of food cravings, the brain regions responsible for memory, pleasure, and rewards play both a role in food cravings, and imbalance of hormones such as leptin and serotonin could also lead to food cravings. Time for taking my supplements. As usual, I drink a daily energy, which is all-in-one coffee in the morning. It's full of probiotics, prebiotics, and vitamins, so you have all your body need to start the day properly. It's really quick, really simple, it takes 5 seconds. That's why I really like it, because you can enjoy your morning routine only if it's really simple. I drink it with cold water and some ice cube. It tastes really, really good. Another thing is that cravings also involve the appetite centers of the brain, even though they tend to be separate from hunger. Various factors can affect a person's food cravings. For the girls, hormonal fluctuation across the menstrual cycle can create food cravings, but emotion can also contribute to food cravings, such as in case of comfort eating. It's around 30 degrees outside, so for lunch today we are going to eat noodles, rice noodles, but cold. And to do that, I'm going to do a soup with red bean. I don't know if you know, but in Japan they eat a lot of cold noodles during summer, so we are going to try it. always eat chocolate after lunch. Start with 70% and then try to go higher and higher, because 70% means 30% of sugar, and better to have 5% than 30%. So just try to go higher, and you see that at the end you will find this one sweet. But remember, step by step. How to reduce cravings. First, drink plenty of water. Hunger and thirst can produce very similar sensations, potentially leading people to confuse the feeling of thirst for hunger. So it's quite simple, just drink plenty of water. Then get enough sleep, because not getting enough sleep could alter the body's hormonal balance. Of course, eat enough protein, because protein can regulate the ghrelin, a hormone related to appetite. So never forget your protein, and try to maintain a regular eating pattern, such as eating several small meals through the day. For me, it helps a lot. When a craving for an unhealthy food arises, it may help to eat a more healthful alternative instead. So feel free to try my recipes and snacks. And do not forget that various methods, such as reducing stress and staying hydrated, but also doing sports and getting enough sleep, can help you to minimize your cravings.